how to apply for internships and jobs on LinkedIn. If you are from a tier 1 or tier 2 college, companies often visit your campus for placements and internships. However, if you are from a tier 3 college or a fresher, relying solely on campus placements can be challenging. But don't worry, in this guide, we'll discuss how to apply for internships and jobs on LinkedIn. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before moving ahead, at the end of this guide, I will be sharing a process that can boost your job applications. Applying through LinkedIn job search, let's go to the job section where we can see multiple job listings. There is also a search bar where we can search for our desired job profile. Let me search for the software developer role, and here you can see that these are the job listings that are coming out. You can also see that there are lots of filters available. So like if you are a fresher, you can select the entry level job, or if you prefer a remote job or a hybrid job, you can do that as well. Once you find your desired job list, click on it and there will be two ways to submit your application. Number one is easy apply and the other is the apply button, which will redirect you to the company's page. Using LinkedIn's main search bar, instead of just relying on the jobs tab, you can search for job related posts made by the recruiters or the employees. Go to the LinkedIn homepage and use the search bar to type the keywords like SD intern, front-end developer, back-end developer, or a full-stack developer. Scroll through the search results. You will find posts by the individual or the recruiters sharing the job opportunities. If it matches your profile, then do apply. And if there is no direct application link available, connect with the person who posted the job and inquire about the opportunity. Connecting with recruiters and seeking referrals. Referrals can significantly boost your chances of getting hired. When you see a job posting, check if the recruiter's profile is visible. If it is, then send a polite and professional connection request along with a short message expressing your interest. You can also go to the company's page and under the people section, you will find the peoples that are currently working on the company. So request a referral from the employee by sending a connection request with a short message. It's time to boost your application. If I tell you there is a tool with the help of which you can find the contact details of a recruiter. One such tool is Signal Hire. It will provide you 10 free connects every month. With the help of these connects, you can reveal the contact details of a recruiter. It has also a browser extension. Let us see how can we use that. When you open a recruiter's profile, there will be a Signal Hire icon that will be popping out. When you click on that icon, there will be a reveal button. And as soon as you click on that reveal button, you will be having the contact information about that recruiter. And you will use that contact information to send your resumes directly to the recruiter with your personalized emails. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, hit the like button, do comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring.